Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Java in your PC. To install Java in your PC, you have to go to the browser and download JDK. So let's go. Here you have to search for Java JDK. So go to the first link, Java downloads. Here click Windows option and download the 64 installer. Or maybe you can actually go with the MSI installer. So let's go with MSI installer. Download it. So now double click on it. So just go for the next and select the drive where you actually want to install. So in this case, C drive. So go to the next. Select yes. Done. Okay, fine. So now click on close. Now we have to set environment variables. So type here environment variables. Click here environment variables and go to the path under system variables. Click here edit and now here we have to add the path. So let's go to the C drive where we have actually installed it. Then program files. Then here you can see Java JDK 24. Then click here bin. Just copy this path. Go to the environment variables. Click here new, add it. Okay. Okay. Then okay. Now go to the CMD to check. So CMD, open it and type here Java -- version. Here you can see we have installed Java 24.0.2.